Zavardy Official. Click here to subscribe. Magnetic screen door with magnets and mesh curtain that lets you enjoy the breeze in your home, leaving doors open without bugs, flies, mosquitoes coming into your home. These magnets are sewn right into the seam to ensure a quick automatic close every time. Additional push pins and magic tapes are provided for an installation strong enough to handle. Protect our family from the bites of pests that carry diseases without restricting fresh air from coming in. As you spend time together, you can give them full attention without having to worry about undesirable insects coming from outside. The screen is safe for children and pets. They can go in and out safely because the screen snaps back in place, so you won't have to assist them in opening and closing the screen. You know how tiring it is to always be running after your children or dogs just to make sure the screen is closed? With this magnetic screen door, you need not to worry about those things as it snaps back in place so you can free yourself from worries. This magnetic mesh screen door cost only 100 pesos, which I bought from online store Shopee. Please see on description below for the store link. closes like magic. It's hand-free. It may not look perfect, but it serves the purpose. Just always open your door and enjoy the fresh air. Thank you for watching. Hope you'd enjoy this video. If so, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.